Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. Our top focus remains all that we are tracking in the West Asia conflict. We'll get you the latest. First up, as always, the headlines. Israel releases videos showing an operation against an Iranian UAV launch squad, reportedly minutes before drones launched towards Israel, says it identified several Iranian UAV unit soldiers at a launch site on 9th of March. Several blasts heard in the Qatari capital as Iran's retaliatory strikes in the Gulf countries continues for the 12th day. Qatari Interior Ministry issues high security warning, advises residents to stay indoors. UK Maritime Trade Operations says a projectile hits a cargo ship in the Strait of Hormuz, sparking fire and prompting the crew to evacuate. The incident occurred near Iran and is under investigation now. Israeli strike hits an apartment in central Beirut, marking the second such attack on the heart of Lebanese capital since the start of war with Iran-backed Hezbollah. Strike targets an apartment in Aisha Bakr area. Iranian media reports IRGC claiming it fired at least 2 missiles at a US military base in Kuwait, hitting the US Navy 5th Fleet's camp near Kuwait City. Iran's police chief Ahmad Reza Radan warns on state television that anyone who takes to streets will be treated not as a protester but an enemy, says security forces have their fingers on the trigger ready to act. Seoul says it can deter North Korean threats even if US moves parts of its THAAD missile system to West Asia due to war in Iran. US stations about 28,500 troops and defense systems in South Korea to counter North Korean aggression. Air India and Air India Express will operate 58 flights to and from West Asia today. Both airlines confirmed that services to Jeddah and Muscat will continue as scheduled despite airspace restrictions. US consumer prices are likely to have risen in February, with gasoline costs climbing as tensions around the Iran conflict pushed up oil prices. Economists expect the consumer price index to show a modest increase, keeping inflation pressures on policymakers' radar.